Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix this problem when you can't upload videos to Facebook and it says unable to upload videos to Facebook right here, or when you can't schedule an upload and it won't let you right here. What you need to do is head over to your Facebook account right here. This will work for Facebook page or profile right here. Go to your Facebook right there, and then you want to head over to your page or your account right here. I'm going to head over to my page right here, and then what you want to do is you want to scroll down to where it says photos and upload right here. Then you want to find a photo or video that you want to add right here. I'm going to do this one right there. Copy the link of the name right here, and then click open, and then it should be opening the photo or video you have for it to get uploaded. Now you want to enter the name right here, and then you want to scroll a bit down right here, and then you just want to wait for this upload button right here to be done. That will take a while for it to be done. Now that it says 99, which is 100%, what you want to do is click next right here. Then you want to click schedule, and then you see right there it won't let you schedule the upload right here. So what you need to do is go to your Creator Studio on your Facebook right here. You see, you want to scroll down to where it says Publishing Tools right here. Then what you want to do is you want to upload the photo or video you want right here. Just wait for this website to load right here. Now once you're here, you want to scroll down to where it says Creator Studio, or you can do whatever one you want right here. Or what you can do is you want to scroll down, and it says right here, go to Creator Studio right there, and then now you'll be greeted with this upload button right here. Click the upload button, and then it says single upload or multiple upload right there. We're going to be doing the same video right here. It's going to be bringing you with the same option you have right here to upload the video as before right here. You see the same format is right there. Now you want to title the name right there. How to charge portable charger right there. Now what you want to do is scroll down right here, and then you see next right here. Then what you want to do is click schedule or upload right here, and you see right here it says October 31st 7:45, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it for this one right here. It says Friday the 6th at 7:43. Then it says, then you can click schedule right there. Once you're done with all these options right here, then it says video post schedule date November 6, 2020, and it's right here. It says date 11/6/2020 at 7:43 p.m. That's when it's going to be uploading. But you want to wait for this processing to be done so you know that it actually got posted to schedule the upload right here. That's how you can upload videos to Facebook if you want to publish them when they won't let you publish it or schedule it.